Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today is Monday, March 2nd, 2009. We had a pretty brutal day today in the markets. The Dow was down 299 points, the Nasdaq was down 55, the S&P 500 was down 34 points. Maybe a year ago or so, 299 points in the Dow would have been a decent down day, but nothing to get too concerned about. But as the market keeps getting lower and lower, 299 point sell-off is today it was 4.25% down, so pretty major selling today. Starting off here at the daily chart of the S&P 500, you can see that we're clearly below these lows of last year. This morning we gapped down here, didn't make any effort at all to try to fill in that gap, just sold off most of the day, pretty much all day actually. We had a small little bounce here midday. It didn't amount to anything there, then we continued with the sell-off. We still have these lower highs and lower lows in here, obviously. The 5-day moving average is declining. So going back to the 60-minute chart, we at least need to see a bounce up to this declining 5-day moving average, and that would look like a pretty big rally, and well, it would be a pretty big rally, but in the big scheme of things it wouldn't really be that constructive, even just to get up to this level here. We're just down so far that it's going to take a lot to heal this market. So looking at some of the individual stocks on the watch list, one of the ones I'm looking at is SYMC. This is called the short side. This one's been declining for a while here. We have this lower high on the daily time frame. We're below this 50-day moving average. Zoomed in the 60-minute time frame, you can see that we've had lower highs, lower lows for a while. A little bit of consolidation in here, but it looks like if we break below the support level in this area, we could get some more selling. If you go back to the daily chart, you can see that that could bring in bigger selling to pretty much any one of these levels here. Zoomed in all the way to the 10-minute time frame. If we enter right around this 1345 level, maybe let it get down and break through here a little bit, you could get a pretty good entry with a stop right above these previous highs. Another stock on my list is BRIV. It's another call on the short side. If we had this lower high in here, some consolidation for a few days in here. Zoomed into the 60-minute time frame, you can see we had these lower highs, lower lows. If we get below this support level here, we should see some more selling. We have a gap way back from the end of January we could fill. That would put us down around this, let's see here, $19.30 level. Zoomed in a little bit closer on the 10-minute time frame. We can highlight this level here. We can maybe look for an entry here around this 22.80. Depending on how aggressive you are, you can put a stop in above this level here, so you wouldn't be risking a whole lot in order to make a pretty decent gain on this. Another stock I'm watching is VRSN. This is another call on the short side. We've had lower highs, lower lows in here, below the 50-day moving average. Looking at the 60-minute chart, you can see that we've had this consolidation for a while, and pretty major level of support in here. If we get below this, let's see, a break below, if I can get the right tool here, right below this 855 level, we should see some more sellers. Looking at the 10-minute chart, you can see we had this lower high in here, lower lows. For a little more aggressive, maybe get in around this 865 level, get in a little bit early with your stop above this level here. So this one would give you a pretty good risk to reward ratio for a sell-off, at least all the way down to this 1690 level. I entered 2 new positions today. I posted those on my blog, BRCM. You can see I entered this one right around here at 1609. This one sold off most of the day afterwards. I'd also entered TIBX, similar situation. I'd entered it at 481, and it continued to sell off nicely, so hopefully you guys caught both of these stocks. Looks like they have a lot more room to go on the downside, so they should give us some nice profits in the next few days. If you want to check out the rest of my watch list for tomorrow, be sure to check out my website at www.marketaddiction.net. If you're just watching this video on YouTube, be sure to check out the links on the side. Stop back and have a great day.